Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best gadget of all time. Today I am going to make video on backyard inventions of this year. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1: Franklin Sports Mini Hockey Rink Set. Franklin Sports Mini Hockey Rink Set offers a compact yet exciting way to enjoy the thrill of hockey right in your own home. Designed for knee hockey enthusiasts, this set features a half-rink knee hockey goal, mini sticks, and a ball set, providing everything needed for an exhilarating indoor hockey experience. The half-rink design allows for dynamic gamma play while fitting into smaller spaces, making it ideal for bedrooms, playrooms, or any indoor area. With official NHL licensing, you can expect quality and authenticity in both design and performance. Whether you're honing your skills, engaging in friendly competitions with friends and family, or simply looking for a fun way to stay active indoors, the Franklin Sports Mini Hockey Rink Set. Product 2: Product name Universal Stair Lift. Universal Stair Lift is an innovative mobility solution designed to assist individuals with navigating stairs safely and comfortably. With a robust 350 pounds capacity, it accommodates a wide range of users, ensuring inclusivity and accessibility for all. One of its standout features is its ability to fold flat to the wall when not in use, maximizing space efficiency and maintaining the aesthetic integrity of the surroundings. Additionally, the Universal Stair Lift comes with a comprehensive warranty, providing users with peace of mind regarding the product's quality and longevity. This warranty underscores the manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction and confidence in the durability of their product. Overall, the Universal Stair Lift offers not only practical functionality but also reliability and convenience, making it an ideal choice. Product 3: Product name Clear Christmas String Lights. Clear Christmas string lights are a classic choice for holiday decorations, adding a touch of timeless elegance to any indoor space. With a count of 100 bulbs spanning 25 feet, these incandescent mini lights are designed to adorn Christmas trees, garlands, and various indoor settings, infusing them with a warm and festive glow. Their clear bulbs emit a soft, inviting light that enhances the ambience of holiday gatherings, birthday celebrations, weddings, and other festive occasions. The green wire blends seamlessly with traditional Christmas foliage, ensuring that the focus remains on the radiant illumination these lights provide. Whether adorning a tree or embellishing party decor, these clear Christmas string. Product 4: Suncast Backyard Oasis. The Suncast Backyard Oasis 130-gallon is a practical and efficient outdoor storage solution designed to help you organize and declutter your backyard or patio space. With its generous 130-gallon capacity, this storage shed offers ample room for storing various outdoor essentials such as patio cushions, gardening tools, pool supplies, and more. Constructed from durable plastic in an attractive dove gray color, the Suncast Backyard Oasis is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, seamlessly blending into any outdoor setting. Its sturdy build ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to the elements, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use. Any of the standout features of this storage shed is its easy-to-clean design, facilitated by the top lid that opens fully, allowing for hassle-free access to the interior for cleaning or retrieving stored items. This convenience adds to the overall user experience, making maintenance a breeze. Weighing approximately balance between stability and portability, providing a secure storage solution without being overly cumbersome to move or relocate within your outdoor space. Product 5: Product name Outdoor Security Cameras. Outdoor security cameras have become an indispensable tool for home and property protection, offering advanced features for surveillance and peace of mind. This specific model is a wireless outdoor security camera boasting a remarkable 5-month battery life, ensuring continuous monitoring without frequent recharging. Designed with professional-grade specifications, it serves not only as a security device but also as a bird camera, catering to wildlife enthusiasts and researchers. Featuring 1080p resolution, the camera delivers high-definition video quality, capturing clear and detailed footage during the day and even at night, with its color night vision capability. This ensures that every moment is recorded accurately, whether it's for security purposes or observing wildlife behavior after dark. Equipped with motion detection technology, the camera can alert users to any suspicious activity in its vicinity, providing real-time notifications to connected devices. This proactive approach and ability, the camera supports both South Dakota card and cloud storage options, allowing users to choose the method that best suits their needs and preferences. This ensures that recorded footage is safely stored and easily accessible whenever required, whether for reviewing past events or document. Product 6 Product name Duck Covers. Duck Covers specializes in crafting high-quality protective covers for outdoor furniture, including their ultimate waterproof patio lavesiate cover, measuring 79 inches. Designed to shield your patio lavesiate from various elements such as rain, snow, dust, and UV rays, these covers offer durable protection to extend the lifespan of your furniture. Constructed with advanced materials, duck covers ensure not only waterproofing but also breathability to prevent mold and mildew buildup. The covers are tailored with precision to provide a snug fit, securing your lavesiate effectively. The company's commitment to quality ensures that their covers are resistant to tearing and fading, maintaining their functionality and aesthetic appeal over time. Duck covers prioritize ease of use, incorporating features such as reinforced straps and buckles for hassle-free installation and removal. Additionally, their covers are designed to be lightweight and easy to store when not in use, enhancing convenience for homeowners. Whether you look. Product 7 Product name Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Repellent. The Thermacell Patio Shield Mosquito Repellent, specifically the E-Series rechargeable repeller, is a notable innovation in the realm of mosquito protection. Designed to create a 20-foot protection zone, this device offers a convenient and effective alternative to traditional bug sprays. It operates without the need for sprays, flames, or scents, making it a hassle-free solution for outdoor mosquito control. Any of the standout features of the Thermacell Patio Shield is its rechargeable nature, which enhances its sustainability and cost-effectiveness compared to single-use options. Additionally, the inclusion of a 12-hour repellent refill ensures extended protection, ideal for outdoor gatherings, camping trips, or simply enjoying time on the patio. By utilizing advanced technology, this device emits a repellent that effectively deters mosquitoes, providing users with a comfortable and mosquito-free outdoor experience. Overall, the Thermacell Patio